Welcome to FordStepFansForSale.com. Brought to you by Crazy Joe's Auto Sales and Service. Today's another 2004 Utility Master E350. Always we have step fans that are in very, very well maintained and excellent condition. This one, just look at that mileage right there. Doesn't get much lower than that. 4,400. Walls are in great shape. Floors. This one has no partition. Also, this one is not equipped with air conditioning. I believe this is our only one without AC currently. Barn doors in the rear. Tires are all in great shape. The body also. Like I said, we have plenty to choose from as long as you like white. But we have an oddball, a blue one. If you need more info, give us a call at 718-448-5548.